Now we fix the adjustments for the play blast. It should be 1920 by 1080, which is often called 1080p. Here we activate our save frame. And now we delete the motion trail for a better presentation. And then from Animate tab, we go to Play Blast and then the adjustments. Make sure to keep the quality on 100 and the scale on 1. Also make sure to activate from render setting. My recommended codec is QuickTime. Install QuickTime from its website and use H.264 codec, which helps you reduce the file size and will keep the video quality at the highest.